Hello everyone, it's a new week. It's moving week, so that'll most likely be the focus of this vlog. Sorry if you hear that in the background. It sounds like they have construction going on. I just threw some gel through it, so it's drying right now. I'm about to get ready to head out and go to the office. My pitiful plant, not pitiful, I don't want to say that. My little money tree, but she's a little droopy, she's a little sad, and I've been watching her get progressively worse and worse. So I'm gonna take her to the plant shop to replant her. I should probably start packing a bit. It's Monday and our move-in day is Saturday. I just kind of wanted to fill you in on what's going on this glorious morning. It is 10:26, so the goal is to get through with work hopefully by 1 so we can start running around and doing our errands. So
What's up? Last time y'all saw me, I was a little drunk. Okay? I do have my shit together sometimes. And you see Isis in here trying to match. Ask who got dressed first. Me. Be fucking for real.
she just wanna be so bad, y'all.
No.
I'm not typing anything. What a gentleman. I might just have him repot it and
These lights will stay with them, so this pot will be perfect for this.
okay. This is I don't give a fuck. Good morning. It's a rainy day in Dallas today, so I'm a little bundled up. I feel a bit lazy. I don't want to wear any makeup. I absolutely did not pack anything yet. It's Tuesday. I moved Saturday. We are winging life. I need to start packing today. Let's see if that happens. We're still getting acclimated to vlogging, okay? We need boxes, bitch. We moving this week. Ah! This week, we're moving in 3 days. Okay. It's all about rich bitch, Lux life, and everything, but now I just don't feel comfortable with paying $30 for boxes. So we're going to Whole Foods. Okay. I say, hey, you got boxes on food? They say, yeah, you gotta come right now. So I gotta go. We moving. Come on, let's go. I literally just moved into this apartment 5 months ago. Started from scratch. I just felt an urge to not bring any of my old furniture. Don't have much stuff to begin with, so I think those boxes will do. Today we have to go grab our keys, so I'll be seeing a little empty apartment tour on here. I'm super excited. We gotta go do that at 11 o'clock, so I really should be getting ready because time is going by so fast. It just took me an hour to secure those boxes at a store 6 minutes down the street. Like, I don't know what is going on with the universe, but shit just takes so long. Like, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes, and it's like an hour. Is my perception of time just screwed or screwed? What's that word? Screwed. Look, guys, look at the pot I picked for her. The people at the plant shop said she's super healthy, but she's still not perking up like she used to. So I don't know, maybe she's getting acclimated to her new home. Don't mind my money sitting there. I heard if you put your money in the mirror, it multiplies. And hey, I don't know about y'all, but I need my money to motherfucking multiply. I'm gonna do every little trick in the butt, okay? I gotta go, I gotta get ready, go to the office so I can get a little bit of work done before we have to go grab our keys. Then you guys are gonna get to see the apartment. And then I'm probably gonna be too hyped to go back to work, but I'm gonna have to go back to work anyways. What I get for waiting for the last minute to do everything. Okay, but for real though, I gotta go. Hey!
Pick up this text to get the key.
There we go! You're a little too used to. Voila! Okay. Hey!
Oh my goodness.
Guess where we at?
Bitch, it has been a journey. A journey.
It honestly kind of doesn't feel real.
It doesn't.
It just feels like we're touring it. You guys believe we didn't tour any other apartment? We didn't look at any other apartment. Like, I'm sorry, I just feel so fucking weird, but we made it to our new apartment. This is my bedroom. I guess I should give you guys the empty apartment tour. You know, I just feel like I need to breathe real quick. I just feel so weird right now. Like, I thought I would be like excited and happy as fuck and everything, and I'm not happy and excited, but I'm just like feeling some type of way. Okay, let me show you guys the apartment. So we are at the door now. It was that you know SpongeBob when he like backs up like that. Is our living room. I think this is safe to say that this is like our favorite room. The windows. Right here is the kitchen. The fridge. We got everything. La dee 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 da. They gave us some merch. I'm gonna try to get it off of there. Well, I guess you can see it from far away. Little water bottles, a bottle of wine, even though we are on our road to sobriety.
Hanging on by a string.
By a string, they're trying to tempt us.
Hanging on by a string.
Here's the like cabinets and everything. Oh, got the soft clothes. Okay. This is like our little dining room corner. Yeah, she's checking out the fridge. Yeah. Ample storage, ample. Moving along to my quarters. This is my room, my bedroom. I opted for the smaller bedroom. This is my view from my window. I love the dimmable lights. Gotta love that feature. And here we have the master room. It's gonna be our guest room / content room. Baby girls didn't want to fight over the biggest room, so we're sharing this one. Here is my bathroom. Oh my goodness. Hello. Since I got the smaller room, I also got the larger bathroom. Comes with the bathtub. I'm the bathtub galley. Winter's the shower stall galley. So it kind of worked out perfectly. These open up. Hello, how cute. Counter space, storage down here. Bada bing, bada boom. This is like our huge ass walk-in closet slash laundry room. So of course we're gonna be sharing this. I mean, Winter's has a vision of making this a whole walk-in closet. It's gonna be super cute. So laundry, probably have storage and racks and everything over here. We'll probably have to take these out because these is crap in our style. We have our own individual closets, but this is just gonna be the additional storage slash shared closet for if guest comes and different things like that. So, oh, that's not it. There's Winter's side, so let's go over to Winter's side of the apartment. This is Winter's bathroom.
Shower.
Yes, look at the shower. Hey, oh, this is cute. Hey, I'm gonna be taking showers in here, baby. Period. La di da la di da. And this is her bedroom. Okay, first of all, let me highlight this hallway. I'm so jealous of her little hallway. This is so cute to me. But look at her room, guys. She gets the big mama room with the exposed brick and everything. And that's her little window. And voila, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful 3-bedroom loft apartment penthouse. Just kidding. I already know exactly basically how we want to do everything, how we want the furniture to look, everything. We definitely need a block here, the whole nine. So we're gonna get into that as things go. But yeah, guys, that's the apartment. That's the freaking apartment. I hope you guys like it. Do you guys like it? Because I like it. Okay, I think this is good. Okay. Guys, it's still settling in. Like, the way God came through and we manifested this thing, it just doesn't feel real because we were just pretending it was real for so long that now that it's here, it's just like, is this real? It's crazy to me right now. Yeah, we definitely need to clean up.